What if I told you that one point of contact, lasting less than 3 seconds, shifts how she emotionally experiences you before either of you consciously registers what just happened? Laughter, then a moment that fades. She looks away. Think about the last time you were close to a woman. The conversation was good. She was laughing. But then the moment passed, and nothing shifted. The connection didn't deepen. That's not about what you said. It's about what your body didn't communicate. Because here's what most men don't realize. The moment a woman decides how she feels about you isn't built on words. It's built on signals. And the most powerful signal you can send is intentional touch. Touch isn't just physical, it's neurological. The shoulder is one of the body's most socially accepted contact zones, but most men either avoid it entirely or use it in ways that read as uncertain rather than intentional. The difference comes down to 4 specific variables. Number 1, the landing zone. Most men instinctively touch the top of the shoulder. That's a mistake. The top registers as dominant, sometimes aggressive. Instead, aim for the rear lateral, just behind and below the shoulder joint. This area is less exposed than the arm, less intimate than the lower back. It hits a proprioceptive sweet spot that her nervous system reads as protection without invasion, safe, and magnetic. Number 2, the weight signal. Second, the weight signal. Firmness matters more than most men realize. A feather touch registers as hesitation. An uncertain hand communicates an uncertain man. A full grounded palm does the opposite. It communicates presence. The nervous system doesn't just detect contact, it reads pressure. Light touch signals anxiety. Grounded touch signals safety. And safety is the foundation of attraction. Number 3, the 3-second rule. Under 3 seconds reads as accidental. Over 6 becomes possessive. The 3 to 4 second window is where something shifts. Research shows oxytocin begins to elevate with sustained intentional touch. Her nervous system stops processing the contact as incidental and starts registering it as deliberate. He meant to do that. And that single recognition changes everything. Number 4, the exit. This is where most men unconsciously undo all 3 previous variables. They lift the hand off abruptly, and the moment ends. Instead, slide the hand off. Let it trail. Psychologists call what remains haptic memory, a sensory imprint that keeps the touch present in her awareness for minutes after physical contact has ended. The moment is gone, but she still feels it. There's one more variable, and this is the part most men completely skip. It has nothing to do with your hand. The pre-signal, eye contact, 1 beat before the touch, not during, before. That sequence, eye contact, then contact, is what separates accidental from intentional. Touch without the pre-signal reads as reflex. Touch with it reads as presence, confidence, awareness, and that combination is what she actually remembers. If this resonated, subscribe. Every week, we break down the psychology behind attraction and connection. No games, no tactics. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding. When you stop thinking about what to do with your hands and start understanding what your body is already communicating, connection stops feeling like a performance. It becomes natural. The shoulder touch isn't a trick. It's a language. And now you know how to speak it.